Hello everyone, this is Yim Hằng. Welcome. My favorite holiday tradition family dessert is Yule-log. As might be presents on Christmas Eve. This year I prepare a Yule-log and Tiramisu flavor using the jelly sponge to hold the cake as Yule-log instead of ladyfingers. This sponge cake is relatively simple, requires only a few ingredients. Begin with the sponge, sugar, flour, potato starch. You can replace potato starch to cornstarch. It gives the sponge light texture. Sift the flour and potato starch together, then add the vanilla sugar and a pinch of salt. Separate the eggs, use 7 egg yolks and 4 egg whites. Make sure you use the room temperature eggs, not cold ones. And use the extra egg white to make a meringue mushroom to decoration later. In a mixing bowl, whip the yolk and 1/3 of the sugar until the sugar dissolves and the mixture becomes a pale color. In a separate bowl, add the remaining sugar to egg whites. Then whip the egg whites to medium stiff peaks. It's looking good. Start folding 1/3 of the egg white into the egg yolk mixture, giving it a good mix. A little more egg whites for the second fold in the bowl, and mix well. Then transfer all the yolk batter to the whipped egg white. This glass bowl is heavy. Mixing halfway, then I fold in the flour in 3 additions. You can use the whisk to mix the batter until well combined. Pour the batter onto a 11 by 16 inch baking tray lined with parchment paper and use the offset spatula to flatten the surface. And tap the tray on the counter to reduce air bubble. Bake at 400 to 425 degrees in Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Depend on the oven. Don't forget to check and reheat if necessary. And this is ready. I flip the tray over to remove the paper and roll it into a log. When the rock cools down, unroll it. Brush the coffee syrup and spread the whipped mascarpone cream. Spread the whipped mascarpone cream evenly to a thickness of half an inch thick. Sprinkle cocoa powder. Refrigerate to chill and set. I prepare the whipped mascarpone cream a day before. It's very easy to make. Easy recipe. That's what I mean. And this is meringue mushroom I make from the extra egg white using French meringue method. Glue the bottom and a white chocolate together. Look like a mushroom now, right? After stirring the Yule-log, finish by adding the coffee syrup on the top and apply more mascarpone cream to cover the entire cake. Sprinkle cocoa powder uniformly over the cake. I froze the Yule-log for about 2 hours before cutting the 2 ends to achieve a nice clean cut. And decorate it with shaved chocolate if you have it. That's it! This Yule-log is a truly delightful dessert. Very easy to make and everyone loves it. Light and creamy with rich coffee and creamy mascarpone cheese filling. For the full recipe and other additional recipe videos, please see the comment below or visit my website. Enjoy your holiday! Thank you for watching. Subscribe and share. See you again on the next video.